Hello everyone. I am happy to inform everyone that the free business advice starts on March 21st this year and ends on October 24th this year. Um, you can contact us if you have any further inquiries on our phone number plus 358 44 211 7582. You can also reach us on our email orel.logistics@yahoo.com. Orel is spelled O for orange, R for rat, R for egg, L for leg, dot logistics@yahoo.com. Okay, for those of us who doesn't know what we are talking about, we are offering free business advices in the area of logistics for companies who need to improve their supply chain divisions, and we have experts and experienced employees who will give you a standard business advice that will help your company to grow. And trust me, it is not just a free thing, it is a quality advice. And our aim is to help organizations grow and to demonstrate our expertise to the world. We'll be so glad to hear from you. Thank you.